Hello there, my name is Titus Claxton. I am the co-founder and CTO of ChainWatch. I'd like to introduce you to our tool. Here is the intake screen of the tool. Keep in mind we are still in beta and we are adjusting things as we go, and some things are actually placeholders for other functionalities that will be included in future releases. You can load your casework by new transaction hashes, wallet, addressing, case file text notes, or load existing cases. In this case, we're going to be loading an existing case, but I'll bring attention to the Discover co-victims, which is a future automation that will run on specifically drainer type cases or multi-victim cases. And what that does is it queues up found victims from the same theft that were also victim to the auto draining technique found in the original victim, and in this case we have 5 of those. There's various options for input that will be gated behind logins later, but this is testing the accounts and different pieces, and some lead tracing, auto lead tracing or varied hop by hop lead tracing. From here we can start an investigation here. And leg B will be a good example of showing you what is on a node or a hop in the scans. We have pass-through amounts, how much is victim attributable, transactions based off address, timestamps, the account type, various informational pieces involved, descriptions of what is there. From this, you can also launch into the off tool Explorer or web-based tools, and you can look exactly at transactional data to verify as if you were verifying a case hop by hop. There is a extension in the works to be downloaded and installed in your browser, which will glow around specific transactions and guide you with case training and why this specific transaction was chosen, and walk you through reasoning of the case. There is the ability to add notes to nodes. You can change the coloration of nodes to suit your ideas or current things to keep track of mentally. You can turn on dark and light mode themes. You can also review the case based off of hop list and not just the mapping. The hop lists break down every piece of each leg, the specific transactions, the descriptions of what was found, the next actions such as freezing or confirming identities based off of subpoena, and or other actions and descriptors of the case can be found in the hop list. Review mode is something we're working on that's going to go hand in hand with the training modules that will be in browser or link. Each one of these allows you to pop right into the Explorer, verify, come back in the case, add notes, manually verify, and it spawns the next hop to be verified. You do this each time. The case grows, verify, it moves on, etc. In the current leg of A, we can verify on chain or blockchain explorer where the funds came to rest commingled with other balances in this wallet, which has been dormant for around 37 days. What we're adding in the future is webhooking that will automatically link to cases in these dormant wallet scenarios and will grant the ability to receive live updates on movement to act quickly and hopefully freeze the funds as well. At the bottom of the screen, you will notice a slide bar that is conveniently useful for dropping depth levels back to certain layers for visual purposes, and um, gives you the ability to look at individual pieces without as much noise. I would like to personally thank you for allowing me to present to you our tool. We are actually victims ourselves who started this company, and you can find out more about our story at chainwatch.us.